Okay guys, so welcome to another unboxing, and in this video I'm going to unbox this 1x18 diecast model of all new Audi Q5 by Paudi models. Okay guys, so this is the model, and the model is really heavy and well detailed. So if you want to buy it, I'll put the link in the description. You can get this model from ebay.com for $112 including shipping. If you are not already, subscribe to the channel for more videos like this and follow me on Instagram for daily updates. So let's get started. Okay guys, so hope you have enjoyed the video. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.